Morning, guys. So another beautiful day. One thing I'm thankful for this morning is a cloudy, overcast day for a change. I never thought I would say that, but we've been having a lot of sun lately, and so it's kind of a nice break this morning to have a little bit of overcast. So it's pretty nice. And again, let me know in the comments what you guys are grateful for today if you get a chance. This is the addition part of the house that I had showed before. And this is all that's left is the bathroom that we still need to demo. There's fiberglass insulation up there, and there's some on the outside walls, but this is what's left, and we've actually been using it for quite a while because it was still hooked up, the water heater's still hooked up. So the old bathtub. Got my buddy Weston, who's helping me take this vanity apart. We're gonna try to leave the toilet for right now and the shower, but we're gonna demo most everything else. They have this huge heater in here that pulls a lot of power. I think a 20 amp 240 circuit just for that thing. So that was interesting. Weston, I was going to ask you today, what's one thing you're thankful for today?
Going on a date.
Going on a date with Daddy? Awesome. Him and Daddy are going to go on a date later. We're going to go to a store maybe and look at toys. We're going to just hang out and have fun anyway. So sometimes you just got to make time for that kind of stuff. You know, it's actually been quite a while since we've gone, and I need to do that more with the children. So just a reminder, any dads out there, if you got boys or girls, take some special time out for them sometimes. It means a lot, I think. So, and it does a lot for us too as dads. Well, we're ripping and tearing here. Got the vanity out. So we're getting all this stuff out of here. It's just got like this fake tile stuff stuck to the drywall. Anyway, under here we found out that for the water line here, they went from copper to this CPVC stuff just for that last little bit. And I knew it would be brittle. I was trying to be careful getting this piece off to save the toilet shut off and stuff too, which that they ran in galvanized for some reason. But this, they didn't. So sure enough, it broke, and then water was shooting everywhere, so I had to shut it off quick. And luckily, in my assortment of plumbing fittings, I had this shark bite that fits copper. And all I didn't have a shut-off valve, but I was able to jimmy rig up this thing with a 1/2 to 3/4 shark bite, and then I had a little short piece of PEX, and then I had a crimp-style plug. So that saved the day for now, so we can still use the water and not flood the crawl space. So that's crazy how these things happen. But we're gaining. Got a lot of this torn out here. That'll at least get all the attic exposed and stuff, so we can figure out what's going on with all that for getting the walls ready for trusses.